SAP S/4HANA Transportation Management 1909 edition. This is the course topic for S/4HANA Transportation Management. Order management, followed by transportation planning, transportation execution, followed by freight costing and settlement, followed by analyticals and reporting. This is the end-to-end process flow for transportation management. Order management involves the sales order, followed by delivery order, especially for inbound or outbound process in logistics. Then we can do the integration of forwarding order preceded by forwarding quotation, having the freight unit buildings activity. Planning involves the creation of freight unit based on the order and delivery management. It has got the capacity definitions and transportation network for different stakeholders in the planning cockpit. Next is the execution and subcontracting. Is a specific process involving freight orders or freight booking for subcontracting process. We have got settlement and charges activity for the freight settlement documents creation based on the freight order or freight booking, which is based on the different agreements, calculation sheet, tax table and scales. Basically, scales are providing the trade table, followed by the calculation sheets and agreements. And here also we have got forwarding document, a specific settlement activity, and all are creating to have the accounting journals in accounting document. So this is the end-to-end process flow in SAP S/4HANA, integrated with intelligent but modern age transportation management embedded in 1909 edition. We have got specific terms definitions in appendix. Shipping condition, it is a particular shipping strategy for delivery. If the shipping condition states, the system proposes the fastest shipping point and route to reduce the cost and time of shipment. Collective processing involves the processing of several objects together, involving orders or delivery. We have got shipments, which is a collection of outbound deliveries that have same shipping conditions. This reduces freight cost and handling cost. Packaging building is to use the minimum number of packages per pallet. Here we should consider the constant, namely package attributes, product stacking rule, customer specific needs, and level limit, that is the height limit. Last but not the least, it is the freight planning, defined as the comprehensive visibility and powerful tools. It includes transportation demand, resources and schedules, freight documents, followed by planning constraint. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.